Can you believe that I'm gonna start off another damn video with it raining? This is becoming ridiculous. But anyway, done swamped this weekend. We're going in the Touareg, van's on the back, family's coming. Weather's gonna be lows of 10 degrees with tops of 20. Absolutely dismal weather for December, but we're going anyway. So, jump aboard. Just gonna go pick up the boy Friday afternoon. It's 3:30 now. Look at this rain. Can't believe it again. Next week, starting from I think Monday, Tuesday, we're going to start seeing the tops of like 30 odd degrees every day. So that's something to look forward to, but that doesn't get us through this weekend. We had plans to take the canoe down with us and do the whole canoeing on the lake down there at Dun Swamp, but now that's not something that we're going to want to do in 20 degrees and cloudy overcast, but we're still going to go because you've got the that mad surf cave wall thing that's really beautiful to look at. We've got the good top peak lookout where you climb up the side of the mountain and look over the whole lake. That's really nice to do. So we're going to go and do that. We're going to go and enjoy a beautiful fire this time, have a couple of the craft beers that I've been saving, and enjoy the weekend. Hopefully it's a long way, that's why we're taking the Touareg. I want to see how it goes towing, and I've taken it around the block already today, so it feels so good behind that car. The car adjusts automatically for itself, or like the weight and the leveling. Fantastic. All right, so let's get this show on the road, go get the boy, have some dinner, finish packing clothes and all that kind of stuff, and figure out the rest of the weekend.
What's happened?
Do you like the rain, Eli?
No.
It's horrible, isn't it?
Yeah.
What are we going to do?
No, I bring this in.
What is it?
Dip.
What is it? Jaco? That's for the van. Cool. Let's go. What'd you say?
This was my scrambled
Did you just drink the juice off the ground? Has it got sand in it?
Hey. There's mine. Oh, there's mine.
Subway, eat fresh. So, this isn't really Dun Swamp. Yeah, my grandmother had a slip on the weekend. Saturday morning, 6 o'clock in the morning. Fell over her own feet, landed on her backside, and ended up in ER all day yesterday. So Dun Swamp got taken off the cards. Went up there and looked after her. She's okay, everyone. She's not broken anything. There was a pre-existing fracture, which is still okay. It's not floating or anything like that, and a bit of bruising. A little bit hard to walk today, but look, thank you everyone for your well wishes. But she's fine. So Sunday afternoon, we've come out, making the most of what's left of the weekend, down to Carrington Falls. We're going to do a little bit of walking around here, just encouraging Eli with some Subway biscuits. Okay. And yeah, we'll just enjoy the rest of the afternoon.
Yeah, step there and then up.
I'm Mr. Independent, Mum. I can rock climb like the next guy. Hey, leave his bum alone. Good job, dude.
Really good job, Eli.
So, the other week I got some new shoes from Keen. Your camera just turned off, Eli. So I got some new shoes from Keen. That's these ones here, the Super Ridge Flex. I was going to do a massive unboxing and give them the presentation they deserved, but we had some birthdays last week and someone put an esky on top of the box that they were in. The box got completely soaked, the shoes got soaked, the shoes survived, the box didn't, so there went the boxing. Just telling them about the box to the Keens, how it got soaked by the esky. So I brought them today, give them a trial, see how they go. So special thanks to Keen. I want you to stop talking for 5 minutes.
I'll count to 5.
Then you're still talking then if you're counting. So this is the obstacle course. How are you going to get through it? Over. Can't go under it. Next. How are you going to go through this one? Under. Over. Come on. Yeah, it is the tree. It is the tree. Are you going to go under this one?
Ow.
Did that stick get ya?
Yeah.
I'll show you what got ya. Look, you stepped on that. Yeah, let me get rid of it so the next person doesn't hurt themselves. There we go. That better?
Yeah.
And that's how we do it. Come on. What are you doing? Yeah. You missed it awkward. You think so? Let me try some.
Ew.
I don't think it's horse poo.
What does it taste like?
I don't know, maybe you should try some.
Daddy ate the poo.
It's a big one, eh? Smile, baby. So that's where you pooed, huh?
Okay, yeah.
Boo!
That's a bit anticlimactic.
Yeah.
Anticlimactic. I think that's back to the car park. So we've only got another 2 Ks to go. These ones?
Yeah.
All right. You got to find the next one, all right?
Dad. Dad, you
All
need
right,
to
I'll
hold-
help you, Eli.
I need you to hold my hoodie so I could get.
It's all right. I'm still with you, Eli.
I gotta go because I could.
Whee! That was like me sliding
Don't
down.
worry, Eli. I'll help you open this bug.
So could I have some water because I'm very
It doesn't look like it. Okay, just walked up a little bit ahead of the family just to make sure where we're going is worth the walk, and you got to see this. All right. Steve-O knew what he was looking at, mate. So seriously. So we've got a waterfall over there. So when the family catches up, we're gonna walk around. There's probably a few rock ledges across there. A few rock ledges across there that we can look at. We'll go down to them and wind. Have looksy poosy woozy. And hold my hand.
I'll reach as far as I can. There, good.
Sit next to me. I want to see Mum's reaction. I think she's running away.
Holy cow.
Oh yeah, she's wrapped. Holy cow. It's hard to impress some people sometimes. I'll tell you what, I think we've probably taken these two to some of the most beautiful locations in Australia. So it's all the same to them now.
Pretty crazy.
So I reckon we should go over there somewhere so we can get some shots of that waterfall.
Yeah.
Yeah?
Ah.
This stuff is called bush. Well, that was Steve's lookout, I'm guessing.
Come on, Dad.
The track doesn't seem to go any further. It probably does, but we've got to get back because the weather's turning dark, as it usually does here in sunny Sydney. We're going to go for a quick walk down to the Carrington Falls because they are absolutely raging right now.
No.
Get a quick photo of that and probably call it a day. So
Down to the waterfall.
yes, we are. It's on the way to the car, Eli. So stay tuned for that. It's going to be awesome. And until next time, see you on the trails.
We get through this bush.
What was that? I'm watching yous. Naughty.
George?
You reckon his
Stevo.
name's George? Stevo! This is his track.
Excuse me.
Touch him, he makes you stink.
No.
Put him over here. Stay off the track, Steve. Eli! That's pretty good.
I don't want to go anymore.
What are you doing?
Okay, it's a